listen and repeat, okay?
Listening 13. Listen, point and repeat.
1,
1,
1,
2,
2,
2,
3,
3.
3.
Well done, Vanessa. How many pencils can you see?
I can see 1 pencil.
Can you spell the word? Say the letters. Mondd a betűket, betűzd a szót. O,
O,
N,
N, E.
Now, please write here. Let's write this word again. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Very good job. Nagyon ügyes voltál.
I can see 2 crayons.
2,
2.
2, what? I can see 2.
I can see 2 crayons.
Very good. 2. Now let's see, how do we spell 2? Please say the letters. Betűzzet, kérlek. Say the letters. T, double,
W, O.
O. Very nice. And crayons. Look. Can you say the letters, please? C,
E, R, A,
Y,
I,
O,
O, N,
S.
S.
Very good. Well done, well done.
I can see 3 rulers.
Very good job. Please type 3 rulers. Very nice. So rulers is good, but 3 is missing a letter. What is this? Do you know what is this? It's a tree. Let's say tree.
3.
This is a tree, and this is number. Let me show you. Number
3.
So there's an H after T. Okay, and we say 3, 3.
3.
Now let's type 3 again. Very good job. Nagyon ügyes vagy. How many chairs are there?
2.
Make the sentence.
There are 2 chairs.
Wow, well done. Very good job. There are 2 chairs. Let's see the last picture. What do you say here?
There is 1 table.
Table. Wow. Let's look at the first picture and read the first picture. Go ahead.
I'm Tim.
Uh-huh.
I'm Tom.
Tom. Tom.
Tom.
Please read the second part.
I'm
I'm
um,
I'm
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 a
a cat.
very good. Nagyon ügyes vagy.
I'm a tiger.
Very good. Nézzük csak, hogyha érted, mit is olvastál. Elmondod magyarul? I'm Tim.
Timnek hívnak.
Igen, vagy Tim vagyok, ugye? Please repeat. I am.
I'm.
Nézzük a második felét. Mit jelent az, hogy I'm a cat?
Cica vagyok.
Very good. I'm a tiger.
Tigris vagyok.
Well done. Please read the fourth part. Picture number 4. He's
not a tiger.
Ó, kinagyítottam. He's not a tiger. He's
a cat.
He is not a tiger. Az mit is jelent?
Ő nem tigris.
He's a cat.
Ő cica.
Very good job. What animal is Tom? Look at Tom. What animal is Tom? Mit kérdeztem?
Milyen állat Tom?
Let's see.
Tom is
A
tiger.
Tom is a tiger. And what animal is Tim?
And
Tim
him is a cat.
Okay. Tim is a cat. Good job. And see you next time, okay?
Yes.
Bye. Well done,
Bye.
Vanessa. Bye.
Bye.